Today we're going to bring in some movement with a zoom in transition, great for building energy or directing your viewers' attention in the edit. First things first, make sure you've got at least two clips next to each other on your timeline. Now let's add the transition. Click on the Transitions tab on the left, scroll through, or simply search for Zoom In. You'll find it under the Zooms and Spins category. Once you've found it, drag and drop it right between your clips on the timeline. This automatically adds the zoom effect that smoothly scales into the next shot. Now for the fun part, customizing it. Click on the transition and look to the Transitions tab on the right. You'll see a duration slider. This lets you decide how fast or slow the zoom effect feels. Slide it to the left for a quick, snappy zoom, or extend it for a smoother, slower transition. This kind of effect works really well for travel videos, fast-paced edits, or even just to add a bit of life to basic cuts. And that's it. You've now added a stylish zoom-in transition in Clipchamp that instantly makes your video feel more polished and dynamic. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Clipchamp tricks and creative edits.